Greetings, dear souls. Today we explore a profound topic, being alerted by an inner call and recognizing it as the immense gift it truly is. This internal summons often arrives unexpectedly, nudging us towards a deeper understanding of our life's purpose and spiritual path. Our exploration will unfold in 4 parts, each delving into an essential aspect of this experience and offering wisdom and practical advice. In the first part, let's understand what an inner call is. This call is a subtle, often persistent feeling or intuition that guides us towards something greater than our current state of being. It may manifest as a sense of longing, a whisper in the quiet moments, or a sudden, undeniable urge to change direction. To recognize this call, we need to cultivate a deep sense of awareness and openness. When we become aware of this inner call, it is essential not to dismiss it. Often we are conditioned to ignore these subtle signals, rationalizing them away amidst the noise of daily life. But this call is our inner wisdom, a voice that knows our true path better than our conscious mind. Listening to it requires us to trust in ourselves and the universe. One way to enhance this trust is through mindfulness. By practicing mindfulness, we can quiet the external noise and become more attuned to our inner world. Through meditation or simply spending time in nature, we allow ourselves to connect with the deeper currents of our being. Think about a time when you felt a strong urge to do something, even though it didn't make logical sense. How did you respond? Did you follow that urge, or did you ignore it? Reflecting on these moments can help us understand the power of our inner call and how it has guided us in the past. Recognizing an inner call as a gift means acknowledging its potential to transform our lives. It often leads us to our true purpose, aligning us with our highest potential. This call is a reminder that we are not just physical beings, but spiritual entities on a journey of growth and discovery. To deepen this understanding, consider engaging in self-reflection. Journaling is a powerful tool for this. By writing down your thoughts and feelings, you can explore the nuances of your inner call and gain clarity on what it is guiding you towards. In addition, seek support from those who understand this journey. Surround yourself with people who encourage your spiritual growth and respect your inner wisdom. Their support can be invaluable as you navigate the path illuminated by your inner call. As we conclude this part, I invite you to reflect on how you can create space in your life to listen to your inner call. How can you cultivate the awareness and trust needed to recognize this call as the profound gift it is? A transformative odyssey. Embracing the power of inner guidance. In the second part, let us delve into the significance of responding to the inner call. Hearing the call is only the beginning. The true transformation occurs when we choose to act upon it. Responding to this call often requires courage and a willingness to step into the unknown. It challenges us to move beyond our comfort zones and embrace the possibilities that lie ahead. When we respond to an inner call, we may feel a mix of excitement and fear. This is natural, as the call often asks us to change aspects of our lives that feel secure and familiar. However, it is in this space of uncertainty that true growth happens. By embracing the unknown, we open ourselves to new experiences and insights that enrich our spiritual journey. Consider the story of a person who left a stable job to pursue their passion for helping others. This decision, guided by an inner call, may have seemed risky and irrational to others. Yet, for this person, it represented a leap towards a more fulfilling and authentic life. Reflecting on such stories can inspire us to trust our inner guidance and take bold steps towards our own truth. Responding to an inner call also involves patience and perseverance. The path may not always be clear, and there will be challenges along the way. It is important to remain committed to the journey, trusting that each step brings us closer to our true purpose. One practical way to stay committed is by setting intentions. Intentions serve as a compass, reminding us of our direction and helping us stay focused on our goals. By revisiting our intentions regularly, we reinforce our commitment to following the inner call. Support systems are also crucial in this process. Finding a community of like-minded individuals who share similar values can provide encouragement and accountability. These connections can offer insights and perspectives that help us stay aligned with our inner guidance. It's also essential to practice self-care. Responding to an inner call can be demanding, both emotionally and physically. Taking time to nurture ourselves ensures that we have the energy and resilience needed to continue on our path. Simple practices like getting enough rest, eating nourishing foods, and engaging in activities that bring joy can make a significant difference. As we conclude this part, think about how you can take practical steps to respond to your inner call. What changes can you make in your daily life to support this journey? How can you cultivate patience and perseverance as you navigate this path? Reflect on these questions and consider the actions you can take to honor your inner call more fully. Unlocking the transformative power of inner guidance, a journey of alignment, growth, and transcendence. In the third part, we explore the transformations that occur when we respond to our inner call. Acting on this call often leads to profound changes in our lives. These transformations can manifest in various ways, from shifts in our external circumstances to deep internal changes in our perceptions and beliefs. One of the most significant transformations is the alignment with our true purpose. When we heed the inner call, we begin to live more authentically. This alignment brings a sense of fulfillment and peace that cannot be achieved through external achievements alone. It is the recognition that we are living in harmony with our deepest values and desires. Another transformation is the development of greater self-awareness. As we journey along the path illuminated by our inner call, we encounter parts of ourselves that we may not have been fully aware of. This increased self-awareness allows us to understand our motivations, fears, and strengths more deeply. It is a process of peeling back the layers to reveal our true essence. This journey also fosters resilience. Responding to an inner call often involves facing challenges and obstacles. These experiences, while difficult, build our strength and resilience. We learn to trust ourselves and our ability to navigate life's uncertainties. This resilience is a testament to our growth and the power of our inner wisdom. Consider the changes you have experienced when you followed an inner call in the past. How did these changes affect your life? What did you learn about yourself through these experiences? Reflecting on past transformations can provide valuable insights into the power of your inner call. Another profound transformation is the deepening of our spiritual connection. As we follow our inner guidance, we often find ourselves drawn to spiritual practices and communities that resonate with our journey. This connection to a higher purpose and a sense of belonging can be incredibly nourishing for our soul. To support these transformations, it is helpful to engage in practices that nurture our spiritual growth. Meditation, prayer, and other contemplative practices can deepen our connection to our inner wisdom and the divine. These practices create a space for us to listen more intently to our inner call and to receive guidance and support. Journaling can also be a powerful tool for tracking our transformations. By regularly documenting our thoughts, feelings, and experiences, we can observe the shifts that occur over time. This practice not only provides clarity but also serves as a reminder of our progress and growth. As we embrace these transformations, it is important to remain open and flexible. The path illuminated by our inner call may not always be linear or predictable. Being open to change and willing to adapt allows us to flow with the journey and to embrace the opportunities that arise along the way. As we conclude this part, consider how you can support and nurture the transformations that occur when you follow your inner call. What practices can you incorporate into your life to deepen your self-awareness, resilience, and spiritual connection? How can you remain open and flexible as you navigate this path? Embodying the wisdom of the inner call. A transformative integration. In the fourth and final part, we focus on integrating the lessons learned from following our inner call into our daily lives. This integration is crucial for sustaining the growth and transformations we have experienced. It ensures that the wisdom gained from our journey becomes a living part of who we are. One key aspect of this integration is maintaining a regular practice that keeps us connected to our inner call. This could be through meditation, journaling, or any other practice that resonates with us. By dedicating time each day to listen to our inner guidance, we reinforce our commitment to living authentically. Another important aspect is embodying the values and insights we have gained. This means living in a way that reflects our true purpose and the lessons we have learned. It involves making choices that align with our deepest values and being mindful of how we interact with others and the world around us. Consider how you can integrate the lessons from your inner call into your daily life. What practices can you establish to stay connected to your inner guidance? How can you ensure that your actions and choices reflect your true purpose? It is also important to celebrate and acknowledge the progress we have made. Recognizing our growth and the steps we have taken to follow our inner call reinforces our commitment and provides motivation to continue. Celebrating small victories and milestones along the way can be incredibly empowering. Sharing our journey with others can also be a powerful way to integrate our experiences. By talking about our inner call and the transformations we have undergone, we can inspire and support others on their own paths. This sharing creates a sense of community and connection that enriches our journey. As we continue to integrate these lessons, it is essential to remain patient and compassionate with ourselves. The journey of following an inner call is ongoing, and there will be times when we face challenges or feel uncertain. During these times, it is important to be kind to ourselves and to trust in the process. Reflect on how you can be more patient and compassionate with yourself as you integrate the lessons from your inner call. How can you support yourself during times of uncertainty and challenge? Consider creating a self-care plan that includes practices and activities that nurture your well-being and help you stay grounded. Another crucial aspect of integration is the continual practice of gratitude. By regularly expressing gratitude for the insights and growth that come from following our inner call, we reinforce a positive mindset and remain open to further guidance. Gratitude shifts our focus from what we lack to the abundance present in our lives, fostering a sense of fulfillment and contentment. Think about the things you are grateful for in your journey. What lessons have been the most impactful? How has your life changed for the better as a result of following your inner call? Reflecting on these questions can deepen your appreciation for the journey and keep you motivated. Additionally, it is important to remain adaptable and open to new inner calls that may arise. Our spiritual journey is dynamic, and as we grow, new insights and directions will emerge. Being receptive to these new calls ensures that we continue evolving and aligning with our highest potential. This adaptability requires a mindset of continuous learning and curiosity. Reflect on your willingness to embrace new inner calls. How can you cultivate an attitude of openness and curiosity in your spiritual journey? What steps can you take to ensure you remain adaptable and receptive to new guidance? In your daily interactions, strive to embody the wisdom and compassion you have gained. This means approaching others with kindness, understanding, and empathy. By being a living example of the values you hold dear, you not only enrich your own life but also inspire and uplift those around you. Consider how you can bring more kindness and empathy into your relationships. How can you be a source of support and inspiration for others on their spiritual journeys? Reflect on practical ways to integrate these qualities into your daily interactions. As we conclude our exploration of being alerted by an inner call, remember that this journey is deeply personal and unique to each individual. There is no right or wrong way to follow your inner guidance. What matters is that you remain true to yourself and committed to your spiritual growth. Take a moment to reflect on the entire journey we have discussed. How has your understanding of your inner call deepened? What steps can you take today to honor and integrate the lessons you have learned? In closing, let us embrace the inner call as the profound gift it is. It is a beacon guiding us towards our true purpose, a source of wisdom and transformation. By listening to this call and responding with courage and trust, we embark on a journey of self-discovery and spiritual fulfillment. May you continue to follow your inner call with an open heart and a spirit of adventure, knowing that each step brings you closer to your true self and the divine. Thank you for sharing this time and space with me. May your inner call lead you to a life of purpose, peace, and profound joy.